Okay, let's really beat this example to death and do it one more time. What was the system again? X minus 2y equals minus 1 minus x plus 3y is 3. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, and this time we're going to use a matrix. So what does that mean? We are going to take this information about x and y and ask ourselves, what is important? Well, what's important? Well, the important thing is the number that's in front of x here, which is a 1. And we have a minus 2 here. That's important. And we have a minus 1 in front of the x down there. And we have a 3 here. And then we have a 3. That's important. And the minus 1 here, also important. Okay, so these numbers are important. But, the letter x, don't really need that, So what I'm going to do is just extract those numbers. 1. Below it's a negative 1. I have a negative 2. And I have a 3. And then I have a negative 1 and a 3. Okay, so I took the important information here and I wrote it in a 2 by 3 arrangement over here. And this is what we do with it now. We typically just write a little square bracket there. And now I can't remember. Some textbooks put a line like that just to say this is kind of my equal sign there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to basically do elimination again. Okay, we're going to do the steps we did, basically do the steps we did up here, but now in a much more efficient manner. Oh, where'd it go? To solve my system. Okay, so what's the first thing we did? We went, scroll up here. What was the first operation we did? 2 plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to take that operation and translate it into the matrix world. So I'm going to say that is row 2 plus row 1. That is my first operation. Okay, so I'm going to fill in these blanks here with row 2 plus row 1. Okay, so I'm taking, this row and adding this row. So what do I get? Negative 1 plus 1. So here I have negative 1 plus 1, getting 0. Here I have 3 plus minus 2, which is 1. And here I have 3 plus minus 1, which is 2. Okay, so in this step, I'm only changing the second row. So I'm just going to copy out the first row. Okay, my notation, okay, what I've written down here. Okay, what I'm indicating to my reader is that well, because I wrote this beside the second row, I'm indicating that the second row up here has been replaced with this. And that's what happened. Okay, so now my reader can kind of look and see what I've done. And you are going to be doing a lot of that as you check for mistakes. Okay, so again, I'm just repeating my elimination steps. And my next elimination step was this one. Okay, so it's going to be row 1 plus 2. Row 2 is the translation into the matrix world. So row 1 plus 2, row 2. So looking here, I get, what do I get? 1 plus 0 is 1 still. Looking here, I get -2 plus 2, which is 0. And here, I get -1 plus 4 is 3. So what have we done? If I convert this back into equations, the two equations say x, 1x plus 0y is 3, and 0x plus 1y is 2. And we usually skip that step and just say, well, x is 3, y is 2. Okay. Exercise. Solve using a matrix. X plus 5y equals 7. Negative 2x minus 7y is minus 5. Okay, so I want you to solve this using matrix, and in the next video, I'll go through it.